This is 412 North Washington. Tax records show 1897 on this. However, a local historian here in Butler said 1905, 1906. It was a local business owner that actually had this built. Solid brick, beautiful columns, inside and out. Most of the glass and the woodwork in here is original to the home. Beautiful. That's my favorite room in the whole house is the entryway. Something pretty unique and cool to this house is this little mini closet here. It is actually for top hats. It's a top hat closet. Gold thermostats throughout. Curved plaster walls. This picture has a plaque on it of 1929. I think it was gifted to the owners. It is, as far as I know, been there throughout. It's been gifted from owner to owner to owner, which is kind of cool. It's still been in that same area. This room here has some of the columns that match the outside. I don't know if those are original or not, but it does have those to kind of tie in the exterior. The floors in this house, as far as I know, most of them, it's more of a plaster, it's not wood, so but most of the floors I know are original. A lot of built-ins, as you can see. It's one of the 5 fireplaces in this house. Here again is this register here for the old boiler systems here. That's a bread warmer. So you put your bread in there, I guess, keep it warm. Love this office. Really nice office. Built-ins are great. Has a lot of light. Nice little fireplace there for you. It does have another heating element in there, but again, the built-ins are really cool. It's always been set up as an office, and it's always looked really nice. This is an addition sunroom out here. It's a really nice addition. It's always nice and cool when I'm out there. Bar area, you can see where the old home there stopped. Kitchen was renovated tastefully. It's great. It's hard to renovate these old homes and keep them to period. This looks, I think, really good. These old homes, they never had a big kitchen in them, so it's hard to find the space for that, but they did a great job renovating kind of what was there. There's a pocket door. There's 2 or 3 of those swing doors, that just flop back and forth. Staircase is gorgeous. A lot of the stained glass, like I said, is original to the home. There we go. And this thing is 6 bedrooms. So 3 on one level, 3 on the next. This is the master bedroom. The owners have moved out, so there are some things still left in there, but big closet there. And then the bathroom, they did an amazing job renovating this as well and bringing it up to the time, but still it really feels good in the house. It doesn't feel out of place with the renovation at all. It has a waterfall shower head there. Bedroom number 2. I would love these floors in this house. Bedroom number 3. Bedrooms are really big size bedrooms. There's something pretty unique to this home. I haven't seen a lot of the older homes, especially that have had this, that are still in good shape. I guess it was part of the addition, so that makes, it's a little newer, but This patio out here is gorgeous. It's private. The top of it is like a rubberized mat, so it's all weatherized up there. Nice little area up there. A little laundry chute. You'll see there's a wire in there. A lot of times they use those to update wiring in these old homes because it's a perfect shot up to the basement up. There's the second bathroom on the second floor here. It's kind of the main bathroom, I guess, for everyone. Washer and dryer. They did get out of the basement. And this is your third floor. Carpet's a little older up here. A lot of the families that have lived here, though, have had no need. There's that curved plaster again. I've had no need, to really replace it because nobody uses the third floor, not much. This is bedroom number 4, another great sized room. Bedroom number 5. And bedroom number 6. This used to have a kitchenette in it. A little table that folds out of the wall. I don't know if you saw that there. And then a bathroom, a third bathroom was up here. A porthole window. And that's 6 bedrooms. Shows you 3 baths. Right about here is when I realized I didn't show you guys the Butler stairwell, but it works perfect for the the exit on. It's a big part of the house and it's really, really pretty. So there's the original stairwell, and then there's the Butler's stairwell. It's beautiful, beautiful wood floors again. That empties into the kitchen there. And then again back to the sunroom day porch out there. It's all insulated and everything. It's always really nice out there. Backyard is big. Big backyard. Some brick pavers back there. There's a little garage in the back. It's not in the best shape, unfortunately, right now, but I think it can be. So the lot is so big. It's mostly a storage shed, but again, it's nice to have storage. I didn't do a basement tour on this. The basement's watertight. It just didn't add to the video. Yeah, there's the back of it and that porch again.